I think my hens want some bread. Did you do that just to tease them?
No, I tried throwing it in there from up here.
Oh.
And it didn't make it. But the one that's closest to the enclosure now, eating the bread.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, as soon as it left my hand, he took off running to get there before it hit the ground.
Yep, chickens eat bread. Well, these two anyways. Juicy Thighs and Roo! Hey! Man, those girls are just walking back and forth. Look at that. Christ, the chipmunk or the mouse didn't come out to join them. The one chicken keeps picking it up and walking around with it. Oh my god.
And this is for the male chickens for you.
Seriously?
One out to the male.
You mean the females?
And the females.
The lovely ladies.
Lovely.
He's like, fine, you want to take mine? I'll come over here and take yours.
Did you get one in?
The Roo picked it up and he's running around with it in his mouth. Aiden, look.
Yep, he's in the ditch.
He's got a piece he threw in the ditch so he can eat it over there. Juicy Thighs is like, excuse me, I'll just go around you and get the other piece.
Run away, no wait, come back.
Right? Run away! Wait, no, come back! There's 2 for 2. They're not getting the second one yet. Yeah, can...
That's funny, Mom.
Now all the hens come up here. Look at that. Food. And we just gave them a whole box full of lettuce this morning.
Yeah.
They act
Okay, you know what's funny about your YouTube channel?
corn and cucumbers and oh my god.
We use our real names, right?
I actually never said anything about my real name on here.
You haven't introducing yourself.
No, I haven't.
Get
Not on
your
the farming one.
the video.
Anyways, like you just said, GR's name while you were recording. Caleb was convinced that you had to come up with nicknames.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
It's a choice thing.
Yeah.
That one chicken. He's flopping picks up the bread and flops his head around.
He's dancing for us. Not with a fork one.
Well, that one worked then, because Aiden, how many times did I say the kid's name that I said about remote learning?
Yeah, I know. That was my point.
Because all 3 of you are on remote learning. And we got a
just don't
schedule
say
that
last
works.
names.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't do last names. That's all. Because all 3 of you are on remote learning, and we have a schedule that works for you. I'm not saying it's easy, because it's not.
If one of you Crocs on, the one that he broke, and one of your slippers on is running around hitting a ball.
Both of you in the house.
And the chickens are chasing each other. Yep, talking about you.
You can hear them here, bro.
What is that? It's got the chicken's attention.
What's that gray thing sticking out of the side of the rod right there?
Why do they rub their beak on the ground?
Washing their face.
Oh, that's how they wash their face off? And then he goes back to eating. Why wash your face if you're going to keep eating? And he stuck his butt in the air.
That gray thing
Telling me
coming
to kiss it.
next to the door there.
I think so too.
What
Now he's giving it to the girls.
Okay.
And the girls all walked away. They were standing there. We have some weird chickens. Let me tell you. I just thought I'd share.